Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as scrambling, 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 scrambling. Let's see its meaning. It's a noun. It means struggling to achieve something or to manage a situation under pressure. Now we will see its use in sentences. She was scrambling to find her passport just minutes before leaving for the airport. The team is scrambling to meet the project deadline after losing 2 days to technical issues. He was scrambling to gather the required documents for his visa application. The company is scrambling to recover its reputation after the recent scandal. I hope you are enjoying this video and you are learning a lot of history from this. Students were scrambling to register for classes before the system closed. During the power outage, everyone was scrambling to find flashlights and candles. The shopkeepers were scrambling to restock shelves during the holiday rush. After the sudden cancellation, we were scrambling to find an alternative venue for the event. Thanks for watching.